All right, let's make a start. What is your favorite day of the week?
Saturday is my favorite day of the week because it is said to be in the middle of a weekend and a working day. This is a day that I like to enjoy on because I still have another day off the next day, and there is a recent working day behind me, so I can still refresh myself and reflect myself at the same
Okay,
time.
what do you usually do on this day?
I start with the late morning and have some time to myself. Read a book in the morning, play some games, spend time with my family, have some plans with my friends for the outing,
Okay,
and
you're not making full sentences. Spend time with my family, have plans for outing. Make complete sentences. For example, I make plans to spend time with my family. Sometimes I use subject. Make complete sentences. Okay, let's go on. What do you usually do during the week?
most of my time of the day is spent at work. I work at a software engineering company, so most of the day is I spend over there.
Do you think you have enough free time for yourself?
Yes, I can have the time to myself in the evening. After work, I can come home.
You need to focus the question. Do you think you have enough time for yourself? You say, yes, I have a lot of time for myself as I finish my work in the evening and then I straight away go back home and there I've got plenty of time to spend with my family and to enjoy myself, something like that, okay? So link your answer with the main question, right? That's important. Okay, thank you. Let's go on there. Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days, especially in summer, because I think it gets a relief from the very hot day and allow us to enjoy the day.
All right. What do you usually do when it rains?
I usually arrange a tea party with my friends and have some snacks, especially seasonal snacks that and sometime on raining day I used to go out in parks.
I
And
usually go out to the
I
parks.
usually go out to the parks and to explore the nature and beautiful weather
Okay.
there.
What do you usually prefer to eat when it rains?
I usually prefer to eat fried products on rainy day, especially our
Yeah,
special
traditional
traditional
snacks.
snacks
You don't say
like
pakoras and samosas. Okay, don't say that. That's not English. Okay. All right, that's good. Do you like summer rain or winter rain?
personally I like winter rains because I have because in winters I have plenty of clothes to wear. So and I like to wear wool sweaters and jackets and long coats. So it gets me so I get a chance to wear that clothes.
Okay. Do you change your plan when it rains?
Yes, when there is no, when there is too much rain, so
I change my
so
plans.
I
I
have to change my
postpone my
plans.
activities. Speak more, come on. 4, 5 senses. I postpone my activities. If I'm going outside, I cancel that plan. So rain affects my planning quite a lot. Something like that, okay? Practice all these topics and come up with a variety of words, sentence structures that will improve your band, right? Okay, let's go on. Who was your favorite teacher at school?
All teachers are my favorite, but I like Asad.
At
Sir.
school. Yeah. Who was this answer must be in past tense. When I was at school, all the teachers were my favorite, but I liked Mr. whatever and then go on. Okay. So, what type of teachers do you like? Say, I don't like teachers at all. Yeah. What type of teachers do you like? I like beautiful teachers. No? I like intelligent teachers. मैं आ जाऊं बोलने के लिए यहाँ? Come on.
I like
All right. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is sky blue because it is very dark and
Yeah, sky blue is very dark. When it rains, the sky blue is dark. Okay. All right. Sky blue is not a dark color, it's a
light.
light color.
So
Okay. All right. What is your favorite food?
my favorite food is chicken.
Chicken, not machi. Okay, good. Why chicken?
It is very yummy
It is
and
very yummy.
delicious.
Okay, that's good. All right. What is your favorite day of the week?
Sunday is my favorite day of the week. I spend many time with family and I go outside.
Okay, that's good. So at the moment, your answers are very short. You should speak more. Okay, practice. Thank you. Let's go on. Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals, but mostly I like those animals that we can tame at home.
Yeah,
Or
domesticated animals.
animals, because they are not difficult to handle, and we can keep them as a pet. at home.
Okay, what is your favorite animal and why?
My favorite animal is a dog that we can tame at home, and we can keep him
We
as
can
a pet.
keep it as a pet.
Pet at home. We can train them, and we can children can play with them if we can train them.
Okay,
So
what
that
type
is the-
of animals are there in your hometown?
in my hometown there are different kind of animals. As I my hometown is more in on a village side, so there are many kind of animals that are agriculture.
Name them, name them. Cows, buffaloes, donkeys, horses. You need to mention. Okay? All right, let's go on. Would you like to keep a pet in the future?
Yes, I will definitely keep a pet in future. Currently, I do not own any pet. I do not have any pet because I am living on a apartment.
I'm living
and
in
there-
an apartment.
I'm living in an apartment, and there is not much space to keep it there. That's why I do not have
On which floor do you live?
third floor. So.
Oh, you can have a buffalo there, huh? You can take it through the lift.
Then I have to sleep at road.
You have to sleep on the road. Okay. All right. So main issue is fluency. Next main issue is lack of ideas. And third main issue is limited vocabulary. So you need to expand your answer. Okay. Try to practice these topics, right? Next one, please. Okay. Do you like weekends?
Yes, sir. I like weekends, and because weekends is the day which I am free and enjoying with my friends.
Weekend is the time when I am free
When I'm free and enjoying with my friends.
and enjoy with my friends.
Enjoy with my friends, and it is very good.
Okay, so that's why I like the weekends. What do you mostly do on weekends?
Mostly, I prefer that I plan with my friends and go outside and have a plan for a movie or eating and meals and other things.
Okay, let's go on. Do you plan your weekends?
Sir?
Do you plan your weekends?
Yes, sir. I plan weekends, especially with my friends, because weekends is I think it's the best for pass your time to your friends, and I prefer that I plan in weekend for only for my friends.
Okay, what did you do on your last weekend?
Last weekend, our friends planned to go outside of our area, and we enjoying very well.
We enjoyed very much.
We enjoying very much.
Enjoyed.
Enjoyed. Okay, we enjoyed very much and had a lot of.
We had a great time.
We had a great time.
Past tense. Okay. All right. Overall, fine. Just try to focus the tenses and conclude your answer. And your every answer should be different. Okay. Don't repeat the same ideas and put them in every answer. Okay.
Okay.
Good job. Next one, please. Do you like to wear t-shirts?
Well, I don't like to wear t-shirt as much because I belong to an area where I don't have too much t-shirts to wear.
Okay.
So I prefer to wear something else.
All right. What type of clothes do you like to wear?
Well, I would like to wear shalwar kameez because it's very comfortable for me and it's very easy and also very cheap to buy and we can wear. So to answer your question, I would like to wear shalwar kameez.
Okay. Are clothes expensive in your country?
Well, it's depend on the
It
person.
depends.
It depends on the person. It's available in various palms, so it's includes expensive ones and also cheaper.
They include, because my question is, are clothes expensive?
Yes,
So
sir.
don't
Then-
use it, use they.
They include expensive ones and also cheaper ones are also available there. So it's dependent on the mood of a person who can buy.
Yeah, and instead of mood of the person, why don't you talk about branded and non-branded clothes? If you buy branded clothes, they are usually very expensive, especially if you're buying them at the full price. On the other hand, if you buy clothes which are non-branded and there are the local markets like the street markets, there you can buy them at normal price.
Yes,
so
sir.
use the word like branded clothes. This is good vocabulary.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. One more question. Do you prefer to go for shopping with your friends or family?
Well, I would like to go with my friends because I can share my thoughts on different items, so they give me various opinion, and so that's why I like to go with my friend instead of family.
Okay. Overall, your answers are good, but your reaction should be immediate. Means when I finish my question, your answer should start immediately, and there should be 1 to 2 good ideas, 4 5 good vocabulary words related to the topic, and I use the word appropriate words. Okay, then they'll be good, right? Thank you. Good.